Welcome to the future, where innovation meets mobility. Tesla is not just redefining electric vehicles, it's revolutionizing the very fabric of transportation with cutting-edge robots and smart technology. At the heart of Tesla's production is a fleet of advanced robots designed to enhance efficiency and precision. These robots are not just tools, they are integral to our mission of producing the safest and most reliable vehicles on the planet.
Our robots work alongside human workers, taking on repetitive tasks and ensuring that every vehicle meets our quality standards. This collaboration allows us to increase production rates while maintaining top-tier safety.
But what's a great car without great technology? Tesla's latest vehicles are equipped with state-of-the-art features that transform the driving experience. Introducing the Tesla Neural Interface, an advanced AI system that learns from your driving habits, customizing your experience to suit your preferences. From navigation to entertainment, everything is at your fingertips. And let's not forget about full self-driving capabilities. Our vehicles are equipped with the latest in AI technology, allowing for safe, autonomous driving in various conditions. Imagine being able to relax and enjoy your time while your car handles the road.
I never thought I'd trust a car to drive itself, but with Tesla's technology, I feel safe and secure. It's like having a co-pilot who knows the road better than I do.
As we look to the future, Tesla is integrating robotics, not just in manufacturing, but also in vehicle design and functionality. Imagine cars that can adapt to your needs, featuring retractable parts, or even transforming according to your lifestyle.
Our vision is to create vehicles that are not just modes of transport, but companions that enhance your daily life, equipped with robotic features that respond to your environment.
The synergy of Tesla robots and groundbreaking technology is paving the way for a new era in transportation, one that is sustainable, intelligent, and user-centric. Join us on this journey into the future. Together, we are driving toward a cleaner, smarter future. Buckle up, the ride has just begun. Ride has